Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make red pickled ginger. Start by peeling and slicing ginger paper thin, then sprinkle salt to draw out excess water and pat dry. Combine rice vinegar, sugar, and a pinch of salt in a saucepan and warm until sugar dissolves, then cool. Add beet juice or red food coloring for color, pour brine over ginger, and let it rest in the fridge until flavors develop. Peel ginger with a spoon to keep the shape and reduce waste, then slice using a mandoline for consistent thinness. Lightly blanch the slices in boiling water for 10 to 20 seconds to soften fibers and reduce sharpness, then shock in ice water. Pat the slices completely dry before salting to remove excess moisture. A dry ginger will absorb the brine better and develop a cleaner, brighter flavor in fewer hours. Create a brine with rice vinegar, water, and sugar, using a 1-to-1 ratio of vinegar to water for balance, and warm until sugar dissolves. Allow the brine to cool completely before pouring it over the ginger to avoid cooking the slices. Seal the jar tightly and let the ginger pickle at least 24 hours, though flavors improve over several days. Keep refrigerated and use within 6 weeks for peak freshness.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.